Drivin Ivan here with an 84 911 turbo that was converted with a factory steel slant nose back in the day, maybe 15, 20 years ago, down in Miami, and it has even a separate cooling system because, you know, you want a nice air conditioning unit in Florida. If you ever driven down there, you'll know air conditioning is important if you actually want to drive a classic car. Turbo, huge wing, whale tail like with it. It's even more of a whale tail than a whale tail, I would say. And at 10 pounds of boost, it's good for like 495 horsepower. You can adjust the boost right here. How cool is that? Look at that. I'm supposing it's a 4-speed manual or 4-speed manual, right? Yeah. And little ventilation in the seats there. These are racing seats, definitely. Full roll bar and custom gauges to match the seats. I've got white gauges in my Porsche 911. Check out, I bought the cheapest Porsche 911. You'll find mine. I have 2 Porsche 911s, so just search Drivin Ivan in any car. But this one is awesome. Totally awesome. We're going to look at the engine now. There you go. Got the 2 jump seats in the back. Custom speakers. Speaker housing back there. Yeah, total, like, this was the epitome of luxury back in about 15, 20 years ago. Maybe a little bit more, actually. But wow, look at that engine. Yep, typical. And there's the big old air conditioner. I took mine out of my car, actually, because it was just dead weight, and it's a Targa, so I never use the air conditioning. But wow, what an amazing car. And just a nice stance and everything. Very cool turbo. If you like it, smash that like button for me and subscribe. Just search Drivin Ivan in any car, and you will find it. Thanks for watching. We're gonna get an engine sound here. Yeah. I'm Drivin Ivan.
With the lights.
Oh yeah? Nice. Pop-up headlights. Just like on my 914. So there you go. Again, thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan.